It may not come as a surprise to many of you at home, but a new study ranks Missouri as having some of the worst roads in the country.
And all that rough pavement, well, it ends up costing you more money. News 4's Paige Holsey is breaking down that new study. All right, Paige. Hi.
Good morning. So this new study ranks Missouri as 8th worst for road infrastructure. And while potholes or bumps might be the most obvious for drivers, it's actually bridges that is the big focus for our governor. Just take a look at this map that we're going to show you, showing all the poor bridges across the state. All those red triangles show one of the 909 bridges that the Federal Highway Administration is ranking as poor condition. And then if we zoom in to the St. Louis area, you will see 3 in St. Charles, 24 in St. Louis County, including bridges along Interstates 270 and 44, and 16 more in the city of St. Louis, again, including bridges along 64, 44, and 55. Now, this new study that we mentioned is from Quote Wizard, and it uses Federal Highway Administration data like that to come up with its ranking, and that's what put Missouri as number 8. It found that almost a quarter of Missouri roads are in bad shape, costing drivers nearly $700 a year. The governor's office says there are $8 billion worth of unfunded transportation needs that creates a backlog of projects.
You can drive around a pothole, but you can't drive around a closed bridge. Funds are always in short need for what we have and the things that we need to fix in this state.
While Missouri ranks number 8, Illinois is closer to the middle of this national ranking at 22. Live in Midtown, Paige Holsey, News 4.